This video explains how to use Append in Analytics Builder to combine two datasets at a time by stacking their rows into a single output, using course access and course access log data as an example to calculate the most recent course access date for each user and course. Course access data is stored in two separate datasets. Click Add on Add Data on the left-hand panel. Then select Data Source to view the two datasets it is stored in. Select your course access to capture user activity through a web browser, and course access log to capture course access through the Pulse app. The Append step matches columns by name, allowing Analytics Builder to combine tables even if the column's order is different, or if one dataset has additional fields. Because of this, column names must align before combining the data. With course access selected, click the plus icon and select Append. Before joining the course access log to the append, add a rename column step to course access log. Rename the timestamp field so it matches the corresponding column name in the course access dataset. To join course access log to the same append step, select the renamed column step under Table 2. Notice that day accessed is stored as a string. Add a change data type step to the append step. In the Configure panel, select the day accessed column. Under the New Data Type drop-down menu, select Date. Rename the step for clarity. While the course access dataset stores a date value, the course access log dataset stores a timestamp value. To make the data consistent and truncate the timestamp so only the date portion remains, add calculated columns. Name the calculated column accordingly. In Functions, find truncDate and copy the code under Syntax. Type DD in place of period, and type days accessed in place of date. Confirm in the Preview panel that the time portion is removed. Add an aggregate step to determine the most recent access date for each user ID. In the Configure panel, under Group by Columns, select Org Unit ID and User ID. Click Aggregated Column and select Date Accessed. Select Max under Aggregation function, then select Last Course Access Date under the Output column. Confirm that the output shows a single most recent access date for each user and course. Once the aggregation is complete, you can join the results back into the main workflow. Now, you know how to aggregate in Analytics Builder by using course access and course access log data as an example to calculate the most recent course access date for each user and course.